If you haven't watched these 5 movies, you cannot call yourself an anime fan. Seriously, these aren't just cartoons. They are cinema masterpieces. Save this list right now. Number 5 is the legend, Akira. This movie literally invented the cyberpunk aesthetic. It was hand-drawn in the 80s with zero CGI, and it still looks better than most modern movies. It's violent, gritty, and visually insane. Number 4 is a warning, Grave of the Fireflies. Do not watch this unless you are ready to be emotionally destroyed. It's a war story about 2 siblings trying to survive. It is widely considered the best movie you will never want to watch again. Number 3, A Silent Voice. This is a masterclass in redemption. A former bully tries to make amends to the deaf girl he tormented in school. It tackles depression and forgiveness in a way that hits you right in the heart. Number 2, Your Name. Visually, this is the most beautiful anime ever made. Period. It's a body-swapping romance with a sci-fi twist that will leave you staring at the screen with your mouth open. The soundtrack alone is a 10 out of 10. And number 1, the GOAT Spirited Away. The only anime to ever win an Oscar. It's magical, it's terrifying, and it's perfect. If you only watch one anime movie in your entire life, make it this one. I know I missed Princess Mononoke, so don't roast me. But tell me, what is your number 1? Let me know in the comments.